Can you wash Liquid Stitch Fabric Mender by Dritz? We're about to find out. Let's go. Here's a good question. Can you wash fabric after you've used Liquid Stitch Fabric Mender to make a repair? Great question. Take a look at these pants. These are my most favorite work pants, but look, they're dying. Favorite work pants are dying. On the front right, got all these little holes. Not good. Now, I do show a little thigh in these holes if I'm not wearing my longer boxer briefs, if I'm wearing some bikini cuts, so that's hot. If we take a look at the back, I've got a pocket starting to give way right here. Same in this corner of the pocket, giving away right here. Immediate attention before I had to wear these yesterday was the fact that the seam in the very butt crackish area of the pants was giving way. It was separating, the flap was separating. Also, the bottom of my left pocket right here in the corner-ish side, about 1.5 inches, was giving way. I remember that I had this Liquid Stitch, and it does claim to repair most fabrics, mends, rips, tears, and holes. Machine, wash, and dry. Bold claims by a 1.69 fluid ounce tube of magic. Well, I needed to wear these pants yesterday. These are the only pants that I can risk messing up right now. What I'm going to do is go hit up Goodwill, see if I can find some more work pants. But until then, what I did was I used the Liquid Stitch on the most important areas. And I basically put some Liquid Stitch here, folded the flap over the best I could, and I put some weight on it while I took a shower. And I did the same thing at the same time on the bottom part of this flap on the left butt cheek. And it held all day long yesterday, but let me flip these pants inside out. I'll show you a previous repair attempt that did not work. Undo that. Undo this. Look here in the back. I ordered some cheap fabric iron-on patches from eBay, and I had ironed them on all those spots. And I can show you the ones in the front because they're not covered up by my new repair. But you can see here, the iron-on patches tore exactly where the original tears were. I guess all these little tears and giveaways are just pressure points where I use my pants the most. But anyway, so here's what I did yesterday so I could hurry up and go get some work done without exposing myself. I cut up a gray shirt. I think that's gray, I'm colorblind. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. I cut up this shirt and I used the Liquid Stitch to put these pieces of fabric on to block my underwear or possibly even my butt or legs from being shown. And all these little patches held all day yesterday. I was washing some classic cars yesterday and all this held. But now I need to wash these pants because I may need to wear these again Monday. And in the event that I cannot go early first thing in the morning to Goodwill and find any pants that'll do the job. So what we're going to do, we're gonna toss these pants with all these Liquid Stitch repairs into the wash. I'm gonna wash on cold with all kinds of like items on a gentle cycle, and we'll see if these pants can hold up one more day. We're gonna push it to the limit, man. I love these pants. I got these from Walmart. You look here, they're called Swiss Tech, and they have a model number. Walmart no longer sells these. I can't find them anywhere. But this little Swiss Tech lineup that they had a year or two ago, man, I loved the fit, the look, and they've held up over a lot of wears. Let's go ahead and throw these in the washing machine. Let's clear some of this stuff off of here. Here we go. Now we're going to throw these pants in, but I need to get a full load. Let me grab some other clothes, some other soiled clothing, because I really like a full load. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now. Oh, looks like we need to pop the top on these daddies. Boop. Bop. Shit. Toss that in. Gonna use a little bit of this Snuggle Plus Super Fresh Spring Burst. Oh, yeah. Close the lid. Say a prayer. I wonder if everything's okay. What do you think? Do you think it's holding together? Oh man, I hope so. right, let's find out what happened. Bop. Let's dig in here and find these pants. Oh man, I hope they held up. I hope they held up. Here we go. Let's analyze the liquid stitch. Let's see if I can get into a little bit better lighting. I'm not really sure if this is any better, but again, this is liquid stitch that I use to apply pieces of shirt to my pants that were falling apart. I wore them yesterday to wash some classic cars, and this is rather unbelievable results all the way around on all these makeshift mends. It's a hard word for me to say. Mends. They've all held up. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Well, there you have it. If you need to hurry up and keep some clothes together until you can buy some new ones, definitely get yourself some of this liquid stitch because it's serious. It works. It did everything that it claimed. Let's go ahead real quick. Let's check that butt crack separation just to make sure. That's probably the most worrying part. Man, it held. It held absolutely perfectly. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Even the pocket fully held. 2 big thumbs up. Liquid Stitch Fabric Mender, stitchless sewing. Pick some of this up. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribed. I hope I see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews.